Hello, guys. Welcome again on my YouTube channel. I would like to appreciate all of you that you have been always watching my previous videos, hitting like buttons, doing comments, and sharing as well. Thanks for your all the patience and all, all of your collaborations about my channels so that you guys are exploring and studying from there. So today that I have something another things that I have to discuss with you guys. Actually, it's been a long time that most of you I have seen like most of the engineers are facing the issue during the configurations or during the import of any lab or any kind of image file inside the evang or GNS and all the things. So today that problem is going to be sorted out by me as I have got the mini license, mini images file with me. I will be also sharing the same thing or same links with you guys, so you can use the same image file or whatever image file that you require or whatever the device that you want to work. You can just import in your GNS and in your event, and you can start working on it and start learning from there. So let's start without wasting the time from here. I would like to. I'll share this. I'll mention this, link with all of you in the, in the comment section or in the description box of that video. So let me start and go through the one by one, and will show you what are the images files that I have, and you guys can follow the some pages and something that I will be also going to show you how to import that. So let's say I will have this unit lab. This is all has been taken by one of my friend. I'll be not taking his name, but he is a good guy. So whenever you are going to add any image file, so inside the event you are talking about, so you will be having like that. So you just have to see these are the files has been already created when you open the eve, when you got access of that. I'll show you how to take that. Just click on that, and here is all of the files, right? So these are all the devices which we have. This is not exactly the devices, guys. First of all, this is all the images file which you guys have to import inside the evng and start working on it. So let's say if I take an example of Aruba, right? So when you go inside, we have the two devices here that have the different version. So you can use according to your requirement which version you want. I'll show you the some of other versions or some of other devices such as ASA, like we have Cisco ASA. We do have Catalyst series as well of the Cisco. We have some VMware for the CCIE. So that's I'm not gonna show you because of it have a lot of content. Because of only this is just only one file, but this under this we have a lot of content. Now next, we would also having some CSR series router, which is just recently launched. If you guys will visit over the Cisco website, you will find out this version or this device model over there that has been launched recently by the Cisco. So we do also have that. I'll let me show you this as well. Any of that I'll show you so that at least you will have the basic idea. So this is the size of the file which you are saying, and from here we can download. When you click on here, this is a start downloading, right? As you can see that it is a start downloading. Might be this is going to be pause like whenever we do not have much network speed, or whenever we have some problems in the network, you might get disturbance in that, but don't be worry about, just please be continue downloading it. Definitely you will be getting in download. Sometimes it is not some of the images file you cannot download because of there must be some crack version is not there, might be they have some limitation of that file, so you cannot download it. That's my bad. But yeah, like whatever the file you can see, you can download it. We have many more actually, like we have Fortinet, As you guys also know, like 14 is most demandable device as of now in the market. So we do also have the for 14 devices. We have IS, iOS XR series 9000, which is the recent device 9000 series of that. We have the latest version 7.11.1, which is the latest running in the market right now. We have Juniper Juno's firewall. This is the firewall Juniper of that. We have Linux, different type of Linux, where we have CentOS, we have Debian, we have Kali Linux as well. You will see that here. That has been launched like Kali Linux 2018, 2019. We do have for Ubuntu, Kali Linux Ubuntu, as we also know in the Linux part, we have a lot of different Linux operating system like Red Hat Linux. We have Ubuntu. We have multiple types of Linux like Kali Linux or Gen Linux. We have a lot of that in the Linux part. Then comes with the MikroTik also. We have router. We do also have the firewall as well, as the MikroTik has also known for the firewall. So we do have firewall, and we do have routers as well. And NXX series we do have also, where we have Nexus 9300. So this is Nexus, Cisco Nexus series, right? That has the latest one, like with the latest iOS running inside that, which is 10.4.2. We have different iOS version that has been already assigned, or that has been already mentioned in the file name. When you open this has been already there, right? So we have the file which you can download and import inside the VM. And let's move on. Okay, so where were we? Yeah, that's on Nexus, right? Then we have Palo Alto, as this is most demanding, firewall as of now in the market. So we have all the versions which we are available right now. Eval, this file is show you that the latest on stable version, whatever the stable version that we have for the Palo Alto series. This is your stable version that we have here. We have Sonic Wall, we have Statra, and many of that. We do have Ubuntu as well. So you will get like we have approximate more than 256 files. All right. So I cannot show you because of this is going to be bit long, as we have all kind of operating systems are going to cover in this link. So you can directly go there and import it. So this is the some command which I have shown you that you guys have to follow when you are going to import your file in that. So what is the thing which you have to do is you have to download the file from there, right? And you have to run few commands, but make sure you are going to change the file name from here, as this is meant for Palo Alto, right? So let's say I have downloaded the Palo Alto series of 8.0.1. So this is the iOS version of Palo Alto, which let's say I have downloaded, right? And this is going to be work inside your CMD. So you have to take access using your CMD, but before that you have to turn on your EVNG machine first. So let me quickly turn it on, and then we will be moving ahead to show you that how we can do that, right? Just give me a moment. These are the some other VM machines which I have installed, so uh, don't be focus on that. Okay, once it will start, we will have an IP address so that we can search that IP address, or we can try taking access from. You can take access from putty, or you can take access from line VTY from anywhere, and you can also have access. You can take it from CMD. So let me quickly just take access of this. Okay, so I'm going to do SSH. Okay, 174.183. Okay, that's asking for password. So password would be Eve. Might be this is not going to be work. I have to log in as a root. That's making it. Just give me 1 minute. SSH space root. What was the command? I'm just getting it bit confused. But let me try with the few commands because of for CMD we have the different, and for for putty or that we have something different. You have to try another way. Just a one moment. Must be there. I guess this is not taking just because of might be username has been different. Okay, I'll try to take access from putty. Right. So let me open the putty. That will be very easiest way to take access. To not you get confused. Right. 168.174.183. Copy that. Now we have the username that is root and password is Eve, right? So right now we are having the access of Eve, right? As you can see that we have the access of that, right? And you guys can see that I have few of the lab has been already registered over there. That means my Eve is working properly, right? So this one I just show you to get it clear that your Eve must be running properly. Then you will be going to import the same thing, the same commands in that. So this is how you are going to utilize your lab to install inside the leaf and inside the any kind of operating systems you can use or you can utilize. I'll show you in my C drive where I have installed Eve. I'll show you like what are the images file I have imported, right? Just let me quickly give it to you. We have one more software which comes with that. I'll tell you the name of that. WinSCP, right? So this particular application is also utilizing. So you can also use the same application for taking access of all the files, so that you can see what are the files or what are the files we have in that, and you can directly copy and paste it the same file which you have downloaded from there. I'll show you how to do that. Just a quick, I have to take access. Was that win SCP, right? Okay, it's here. So as you can see, we have to take access, whether you can take access from TFTP or FTP. So you have to click on new site and you have to put that IP address of that particular machine. So let's say I have the Eve NG, which is having IP address of this 174.183, right? And I will be putting that username and password here. Username was root and password was Eve. That is the default username and password you can utilize for that, and then you can click on login. This is going to be connected to the server, and here we go, right? So these are the some file which I have inside my Eve, and you can just take, or you can just see your whatever the files you have downloaded. You can go in the downloads folder, and then you can have downloaded images file which you have. So like I have a lot of things, a lot of files has already been there. So you have to choose like where exactly you have already decided, and then you have to go, you have to follow the same thing which is I just shown you, right? So you can go inside the root, and you can go and import that. This is something different, but you can follow the same path where we have. I'll show you that what are the paths you have to follow. So you have to go inside the opt, you said the inside the unit lab, there should be add-ons, QEMU, there should be some file has been already made, and then you can just copy paste your that file inside that. And this is how all the commands is going to be run in that. So this is how you can run your software. I'll mention both the links with you so that you can follow the same procedure. If you guys have any doubt, any questions, don't forget to reach out to me. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.